Okay, I'm just going to go through this and we're going to go from the small grip to the large grip and see how we can do it quickly and easily. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is click once, and we're just going to go there. Just ignore the large size, it will go away in a moment. Okay, let's just zoom out and let's drop that there. Right, okay, so what are we going to do? We're going to use the stretch command because the difference between the sizes is 13 and 19. Okay, so if we look at the original, we're just extending that up by 19, and that needs to become wider at 19 as well. Okay, so let's use our old friend the stretch command, and we're going to select all of that, and we're going to right click. We're going to specify, let's zoom in so we can see what we're doing. I'm going to specify that point there. I'm going to go slightly off at tangent so that I can type in 6, and that's at 90 degrees. Okay, so there we are, we're at 19. So now we just need to move those. Okay, so we're going to use the move command. It says select objects. I'm selecting my objects. I'm going to right click or press enter. I'm going to pick that point there, and then I want to place that at the middle point of this vertical line. So I'm going to press Control and right click, select my midpoint, and there we are, done. And so that's at 19, and then we can do the same thing again over here. So I'm going to click my stretch command, and we're going to select that. I don't really want that number 1 dimension, so I'm going to do, I'm going to do that, and I'm going to do that just to make sure I've got everything. I'm going to right click, I'm going to pick that end point there, and again slightly off kilter, so we can press tab then to flick between there. We can set that as 0, and we can press enter, and we can see what's happened. So we've got a bit of a mess there, but we can clean that up. Okay, so that's off center as well. So perhaps the best thing to do is just to delete those. We'll delete that, and then we're just going to use the extend command to go to there. So we've got that line, and then we can just put that in there, and you'll see we just need to stretch out our center lines, annotate, make sure we're on center there, annotate center line there and there. So that puts that back, and probably better ways we could have done that. Just gonna draw that one last bit again there. So we're going to offset by 1 millimeter, 1.5, wasn't it? 1.5. I'm going to offset that to there. Can we offset that? No, we can't. Can we offset that? We're going to just not got less offset. So we just need to do a quick construction line, don't we, from there to there. We should have probably taken that off center line. Control Z to undo. Let's change our layers to center. Line from there to there. Okay, let's offset again. So 1.5. Select that line, offset that there, and one more time, offset that there, and then it's just a case of drawing a line from there to there to there. Typing TR there for my trim command. I'm just going to select everything there, and then I can just trim out that and that, and then I think I can just delete everything else, can't I? Delete, delete, and I'll go that way, so we only select what's inside the box there. Click on that, move that to there, and then I think we're done. There you are. Very quick way of doing the large grip. Thank you very much. Oopsie daisy.